Hey, how y'all doing? I'm, I'm just the Michelle fan. Now, I know I usually don't go live on my channel, but I'm just being me today. I'm just being me today. Yeah, I'm just being me today, y'all. I'm just living my life.